Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube cooking channel, Spicy Food 6972. Today we're going to be making mutton liver curry, and for this the ingredients you need are 7 cardamons, 11 long cloves, 37 black peppers, 5 cinnamon sticks, 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of culmin powder, 1.5 cup of cooking oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 2 bay leaves, salt to taste, 1.5 cup diced onion, 2 tablespoons of dried roasted onion, and you need 700 grams of mutton liver. You're also going to need 4 tablespoons of vinegar for washing and cleaning it, and 1 cup of water. So first we're going to wash our liver. Someone said they boil their liver and then they cook it, but if we do this, it'll take the nutrients out. So to wash our liver, we cut it up into pieces and then we washed it several times. And now it's here, and then we're gonna add vinegar to it and let it soak. It's going to be 4 tablespoons of it.
4 tablespoons of vinegar
and 1 cup of water.
And we are going to soak it half an hour.
We're gonna soak it for half an hour, and we're gonna come back and cook it after that. Alright everyone, so we have let the vinegar soak for 45 minutes, and you can see that the liver has turned more white and some of the impurities has come out on the water, so it's much cleaner than before. And now we're going to wash the liver of any vinegar 4 to 5 times with water, and if you don't have vinegar you can always use shirka to wash it. We're washing it. We're going to turn our oven up to high heat and let the pan get hot. We're going to put our half a cup of cooking oil into the pan. We're going to put our longs, our cardamom, our cinnamon, and our bay leaves and our black peppers into the oil. So the oil has gotten hot, and now we're going to put in our onions. And saute it until they turn dark brown. We're also going to put in a teaspoon of salt. Right, so it's been 6 minutes since we have started sauteing the onions, and we're not going to wait for it to brown any further. It's going to be relatively white actually, and we're going to put in our garlic and ginger paste. Brown the onions any further, they will darken the curry and that won't look too good. So it's up to you, but we recommend doing it like this. It's been a total of 2 more minutes that we have been sauteing our garlic and ginger, and we're going to just put in our turmeric and red chili powder and give it a good stir. It's been another 2 minutes. And you can see our liver is white as such that it's clean and sturdy like this, and we're going to put it in. mix it all up. So we have been roasting our liver and our masala for 3 minutes now with it all mixed, and we are going to cover it up and let it roast for another 5 minutes and then come back. And this is all on medium heat. Right, so it's been 5 more minutes and you can see our curry has watered up from the liver releasing water. And we're going to give it a stir.
Another 5 minutes.
And we're going to put it back just like how we did for another 5 more minutes. So we're back after 5 more minutes. And we're going to give it a stir to see what's happened to it. And we're going to come back after 5 more minutes.
And heat is
And
medium low.
yes, put the heat on medium low. So we're back again.
5 minutes after.
And we're going to give it a stir. We're going to add some water. And the heat is on medium high now. We're just going to wait till the water starts to come to a boil or a cooking temperature. So and we're going to put in another half teaspoon of salt. And we'll be back after 5 more minutes of covering it and cooking it. So we're back after 5 more minutes of cooking it. And we're going to put in our culmin and garam masala powder. We're going to sprinkle around our dried onions on top of it and give it a stir. Now we will be back after 5 more minutes of covering it and cooking it. Now we are back after 5 more minutes and our heat was on medium low the whole time that we were cooking it with the lid on to medium, and
So we are done.
we're done cooking it now. Okay. And our mutton liver curry is done, and you can see this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching, everyone.